Yeah, back here, the safe soldier. Let's have a look today, and I was very happy that I found this thing, 1232, and it's quite new from Revell. It's the Fieseler FI 103AB, or V1 of course, the flying bomb, the rocket thing. Yeah, I don't like planes, but when I saw this, I got to have it, of course. 20 euros, and it's brand new from this year, from Revell. Let's see the other side. We have some we have some pictures, of course, from how to paint the whole thing. We have a frame, so we can put the flying bomb on this frame, and you can drive around like an idiot. We have some text, of course. Allbekannte Vergeltungswaffe. Sie kam aus der Mitte 1944 in großer Stückzahl in Einsatz gegen London. Of course, the targets in London, this flying bomb. You can see the parts, and it was really surprising. The thing is really big, to be honest. That's absolutely great. And of course, you can see it's quite simple to make, with some wings and the body. Two pieces, of course, and a lot of framework and the wheels from the frame and stuff. We have decals, very simple little small decals with numbers and something, red crosses. I don't know what that is, but we can find it out. We have the manual guide, the manual guide how to build the thing, and it's really a big manual guide, and it's a lot of information, a little bit too much, to be honest. In every language, okay, that is good, but well, we can see the colors what you can use. The parts of the hips, the things, if you want to buy spare parts, no, I don't want that. And you can see the painting of this thing. Well, it's a really simple, nice parts. Revell always good quality. And oh, that is a little, there's not much. You can build this thing in half an hour or something. But the most time, of course, is the painting of the flying bomb. And you can see examples here. You can make this one version, or a little bit dark with brown, if you can see, or a lot brown. Okay, well, I'm gonna build this thing. Oh, we got more. Well, it's all completely the same, to be honest. Oh, you got the one with the cross, the red cross. Okay. I'm gonna build this thing. My decals are flying away. I'm gonna build this thing for the first time, and I want to show you the results. But well, you can see last time not much to do here, because it's really hot here, and my dog is coming in my room. Yep, it's really hot, to be honest. Hello. And well, and that's the reason that I did not have to work a lot of models this time, but it's really getting summer, and we have to do something else than just build models, of course. We have to drive my Yamaha and that kind of stuff, so that's also a hobby. Okay, I'm too much about this, reading from this myself. I'm really looking forward to build this thing, and when it is ready, then of course I will show you the results. So I see you next time. Leave a comment or join my Facebook, of course, www.facebook.com, the safe soldier. Okay, goodbye.